Hello guys, good morning. Today I will show you how you can find all the part numbers of the fairing, or parts from the engine, of parts from the chassis, and how you can find what is the original part number. So I will show you some parts from the CBR 650R, but also other Honda models. You can find anything you want. Later in the video we will search on the internet. I will show you how you can do it, but I've already searched some part from the stickers from this Honda, because I had a little dent over here and the entire tank was repainted, and I've replaced all the stickers and also a new tank pad. So on this website, www.bike-parts-honda.be, you can find all the original part numbers from the stickers. I think, yes, it's 20 stickers on this bike. So if you have one scratched, if you want to replace one, you can find them where you want. So you can see where on the bike are the stickers, and then on the second page you can find the part numbers. So if we look for the Honda emblems over here, you can see it here. It's part number 9 and 10, and you can see the part numbers over here. So if you want to see this part number, or this one, but also for the fairing, if you want to know what part number is a fairing on the right side, you can find it. Or if you want to know this bolt, you can find it also on the website. Also parts of the engine, everything you can find. So this part, or if you want to know what that part is, you can find everything. Or the spring, or the caliper. So we will take a look on the website and I will show you how you can find it. Also for this bike, if you want to know the blinker, what is the part number, or if you want to know this bolt and also where it grabs into, everything you can find. Or the number of the headlight. One guy from Brasilia asked me where you can find it second hand, and I'm searched the part number, and on eBay Germany it was possible to buy a headlight. So I've sent him the part number, and maybe also here in Brasilia you find a headlight now. This part, this red line on the fuel tank, if you buy it original from Honda, it comes like this. So if you turn it, it is this line in the part number. Hello guys, so here we are on the website that I mentioned earlier, www.bike-parts-honda.be. So for all Honda motorcycles, Honda scooters, Honda quad and ATV, you can find everything over here. And you can buy it on this website, or if you have the part number, you can search it second hand are new any other on any other website. So we're going to search for the Honda CBR 650R at the moment. So we will do English over here. So 650, Honda 650, it's a CBR over here. CBR 650 from building year 2019. So and then we are in Europe. You have one in Australia, California, Canada, and so on. But we have the black one. This is the right color. So we will take this one. And then you can search parts from the engine or from the frame. And like I said earlier, I have searched for the sticker set. That's this part. So over here you can see so the stickers on the fuel tank are the Honda emblems from the left and the right side, but also the red stripes 5 and 6. So you can see here 5 and 6, and you can see the part number over here. And also the price if you buy it on this website. 6. And then the emblems are 9 and 10. 9 and 10. So that's for all the stickers. And so for here we can see the headlight over here. And what is the price if you want to buy it over here. Gaskets and other tools to mount the headlight in. So 6, the part number that where the bolt grabs into. All the part numbers you can find over here. Or if you click on 6, you can see the part number also over here. For the headlight, for the display, the cockpit, other stuff, the hoses, the brake hoses, things where the suspension grabs into. This part is where the contact is, where you put the key in, I think here. Suspension, the fairing over the front wheel, all the bolts and all the other parts to mount it. Suspension, brake calipers, the front wheel, and so on and so on. So the fuel tank over here. And the fuel pump, everything you can find here. The exhaust system, suspension from the rear, everything you can find here. So we will search now for the 600cc, the other bike you saw earlier. So 600cc, building year CBR, building year 2012, and then Europe, it's the black one. So we'll search over here. Engine parts, I will open it also. If you want to change parts from the clutch or hoses for the water pump, everything you can find over here. So for the frame, like I said, the man from Brasilia asked me where he could buy a second-hand headlight. So I've searched the part number for him, and I saw on eBay Germany you can buy it for about 200 or 250 euro, a new headlight. So, but maybe he found some headlight second-hand in Brazil. Now he had the part number. Also suspension over here, rear wheel, fuel tank, the sticker set, the radiator and all the parts and the hoses, the front windshield, the fairing, the mirrors, the plastic around the display, everything you can find over here. Also the battery. The battery, it's also a UASA. You can find everything over here. For the license plate holder, the lighting, the mounting of it, everything. The chain sprockets, swing arm, everything you can find. But we will search for the bolt that I mentioned earlier. So that's over here. So you can see the fairing on the left side, on the right side. And then you can see it's bolt 13 that I mentioned. 13, so it's this bolt. So the part number is 90114 MCJ000. And also the prices on it. And if you want to know where the bolt grabs into, it's part 18 over here. And you can see the part number also. So that's it, guys. If you want to search something for your Honda motorcycle, scooter, quad or ATV, on this website you can find everything. And in winter time now for Europe, in other parts of the world it's summer now, but if you want to repair your bike for the next season, you can find all the part numbers over here and buy them new or second hand. And your motorcycle will be ready to fly again in 2023. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.